When you go to the stores, ask basic questions. What about your refund policy? These signs that you see up, no refund, no exchange, by themselves, they are not illegal, but once there is an issue, the Consumer Protection Act kicks in. You are entitled to redress once there is a defect in the item or some other item that you can legitimately claim for. Consumers need to understand and appreciate that we have our power in our pockets and our feet. We walk away from persons who are not nice to us as consumers. Most of all, in terms of warranties, especially if you're purchasing high-value products, please ask about the warranty period and what are the conditions of the warranty. What is it that the warranty covers? It's very, very important that you know these things before and have these things in writing. The word of mouth will not work, because invariably have very short memories when we go back with a problem. I could not have told you that. And they knew very well that they would have said that. The whole thing of receipts. Yes, receipts. Very basic, but we still have a challenge. Persons still not demanding their receipts. And even when you get a receipt, it is just so inadequate in terms of the information that is on it that is difficult for you to even claim. Bear in mind that your receipt is really your proof of purchase. And in the event there is a challenge, you need to present your receipt in order to be given any form of compensation or redress. Your receipt must have some basic things: the name of the store, the date the item was purchased, a description of the item, and your cost. Those basic things must be there. Listing tapes that a lot of vendors have been giving, it really ought not to be. It's a breach of the Consumer Protection Act. Sometimes when you go to purchase items and you're paying cash and they're giving you discounts, they say, okay, I'll give you a discount or we'll take off the GCT, if you know, but you cannot get a receipt. And sometimes persons wanting a good deal will fall for that type of thing. But invariably, especially if it's an electronic item, invariably, to me that's a red flag. Something is wrong somewhere. And when something goes wrong with the item after a day or two, you have a challenge taking it back and you have no proof of purchase. So we don't want consumers to be penny wise and pound foolish. And we also want you to obey the law.